to heal.
See, I think it's fun, but then again, I've also thought things like Kill Jaden and Gul'dan were really fun.
I really liked Kill Jaden and Gul'dan. Gul'dan was like inarguably one of the best enemy bosses in a while.
And then Argus was so boring.
Oh, Argus.
What boss are we talking about? I just got back.
Gul'dan.
I kind of enjoy.
Gul'dan
I
was
think
great.
it's really well. I think all the phases are different. I don't like phase 1. Phase 1 is a shithole. But besides that, like intermission is interesting. I don't know.
I think a little bit of RNG makes it interesting.
It's better than Gahoon.
Rather than like totally scripted and. Yeah, phase
Okay,
one
just
sucks,
waiting on Rod, Aladdin, and Leaves. Yeah, phase 1 is just like, man. I will be happy when I never have to shoot another ballista because I'm fucking losing my mind.
I just like that phase 2 is literally like moving to set position in the room. It's kind of
Alright,
fun.
stay focused. 8%, which is 3%. Let's do it.
I have pancake stuff with funfetti icing.
3-pot.
4, 3, 2, 1. The sea answers my call.
Right ship, kill ballista.
You ready for avalanche?
Does that mean she's tired of doing the actual job, or she's tired of relying on me to do the other part of the job? Shots now.
Avalanche and fire.
I hope you don't mind cold.
Who got mid? Shift to Condo. You ready for a hard part? Avalanche timing was weird there, so I'm not sure.
No, one of them crit. Hopefully it was the Pyroclasm.
You ready for anything here?
Please.
It should be normal.
At least it fired.
I hope you don't mind cold.
Does he have all?
Duke,
No.
no.
At rate.
Too far.
We have to break these ice people. Get mine, Celis.
Alright.
Dodge fire. I'll get metal.
I'm on bomb.
I'll just get them both. No, you got it. Avalanche.
I will freeze you where you stand. I will freeze you where you stand.
This spell.
Stop DPS completely. Stop.
At BPS, yep. As soon as it's done, clear your stack. You ready to dodge fire? Clear and phase her, but mechanics.
Fire. We're good.
Good job.
Offhands, redot.
Very nice phase.
Yeah. Don't waste the guys' phase on purpose.
On the horizon, you have nowhere left to run. Ice Witch.
For girds.
Let's do it. Slow and steady. Orbits AFK? Okay, let's go.
Your open waters, because out here, you have no hope of escape.
Yeah, it was a 1 second head start, and he still beats us to the front. I went the wrong way than usual. Alright.
Ready to break the barrel.
Start hitting barrel now.
Okay.
Out. Ice
Watch
fall
ice
shift.
fall.
Ooh, that's a good scorch. Hang on.
Bait the ray. Siege is on ante. Don't
Yep.
get knocked into ice. It's right next to us. The ice is right next to us. Move through. Turbo innervate. Break it. Break leaves out.
Break it loose.
Out.
Babe.
Move.
Dropping gate.
I taunted her turn.
Take the
It's
gate.
somewhere here.
Move to the right. Towards barrel 1.
I hope you don't mind the cold.
Break the barrel when that lands. Break barrel. It's on Ari.
Defensive. Get out of the
barrel.
fire.
Watch
Move.
beam.
Taunt when appropriate.
Broadside.
GSing leaves.
On wall.
We're good.
Is you where you stand?
Rune up.
Everyone rune. Move up. If someone's on the wall, please don't be. Or on Jaina, sorry.
Drink.
I want my room, damn it.
Shift that. We have space. Don't poop hearts on hearts.
Hey. Oh,
Bob.
Tank taunt. I have
Okay,
aggro.
that's fine. That's fine.
360 pyroblast. No looking.
Slow down, let the raid group.
Why does he have heart?
Deep breaths, guys.
Break them out.
Excuse me.
Break them out. We have time to break them out. Keep God.
I'm fire.
Look at the champs over
Alright.
there. Look at those melee champs.
Chop.
Get ready to soak.
It's fucking legends.
Turbo innervate.
Braving that barrage.
In.
Soak.
Bonk is up.
Back behind Jaina.
Get behind her first.
Let leaves die.
Over to
Yeah, is it-
the image.
Image.
The image.
Tide moves against you.
Be behind both
Get
of
ready
them.
for Ray B on the left of both of them. Left of both.
Alright.
Move.
Move through them.
Be away from leaves. I'm in front of her right now. Be away.
Go bear. It's on
Out
Aladdin.
with siege.
Luke, can you grip him?
I will Spiritling.
Yep, Spirit Link barrier.
It's up.
Ignore this orb.
Go for it.
Yep. Had to get in that so I didn't get in the orb.
Helping.
Defensives.
Watch the ice wall right by us. We're going to have to move.
This is promising. This is
There's one
promising.
coming still right at us. Right through the middle.
Get out of broad.
Stuck on
Let's go! Volker, good luck.
Ah!
It's a bad
guys.
Time to tell
you the mounts reserved for.
Oh, thank God.
About time.
Thank fucking God.
I don't...
Did we use any battle reses outside the ones we had to?
Yeah, God, that felt so smooth at the end.
I don't think we did.
Someone
died
first phase.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure.
Luke, you
My
dummy.
game is frozen, so I can't do loot.
Really?
Yeah, but I'm so excited I don't get.
That's okay, don't worry about it. It's fine. You'll get it.
Nice job,
Like,
guys.
this
Leaves.
one popped up. Yeah, nice job.
Good
job,
guys.
Leaves.
And we even.
Congrats.
Like,
Oh, leaves! That's well earned.
Hold on.